In the world of luxury decorative finishes, few materials have captured the imagination of designers like mica. This natural mineral with its shimmering allure has been transformed into a key element in high-end interior design thanks to the vision and skill of decorative artisan Tobey Sanders. Unlike typical finishes, mica is not a paint or plaster, it's actual rock. These delicate sheets can be torn, shaped, and applied to surfaces like walls, furniture, and artwork, offering designers unmatched versatility. This November 2024, Tobey Sanders will be sharing her expertise through an immersive workshop crafted specifically for professional decorative artisans. The class will provide a hands-on experience, teaching participants how to master mica by applying it to sample boards and exploring its limitless creative potential.
So each student is going to take home a set of samples, and these will be sellable finishes. You'll be able to show them to your designers. You'll be able to show them to your existing customers. You will be able to show them to, showrooms if you're creating art. It's so much that you can do with this product, but these portfolio boards that we make in class, this is going to be basically your bread and butter, to sell the mica, because it's a very visual technique, and you have to be able to see it and feel it to understand it, especially if you're thinking along the lines of paint and plaster. So the samples really sell the finish by itself. Once people see it, they fall in love.
The workshop is divided into two parts. In the first half, students will focus on applying mica, learning the importance of organic placement, and understanding how to bring the materials to life. After lunch, they'll dive into experimenting with colors, top coats, and various finishing techniques, allowing them to fully explore what mica can achieve. Each session is designed not only to spark creativity, but also to ensure students can gain practical skills they can immediately put to use. By the end of the workshop, participants will leave with much more than knowledge. They'll take home professional quality mica sample boards, marketable tools to showcase their new skills to clients, designers, and showrooms alike. For decorative artisans seeking to elevate their portfolio with something truly unique, Tobey's Mica workshops offer a transformative experience. Mica is not just a trend. It's a timeless material that seamlessly blends the beauty of nature with the sophistication of luxury design. Tobey's Mica workshop will be featured at the IDAL Convention from November 3rd to 7th in St. Charles, Missouri. For more information about this one-of-a-kind class, click the links in the video description.